Hello everyone. So today we have with us Dr. Keshav Patidar, who is the principal of Indore Institute of Science and Technology, Indore. Sir has done PhD from IIT Indore. He has more than 18 years of experience in the field of research, industry, and academics. He has worked as visiting faculty at IIT Indore and various other renowned institutions as well. Sir is also a receiver of various reputed research journals as well. Sir, greetings from College Dunia.
Thank you very much.
Like you have been working in this industry for around 18 years. So tell us about your experience in the education industry and what makes it the best industry to work in.
Okay, so from last 18 years, I am in engineering education industry, and apart from IST Indore, I have worked with IIT Indore and Symbiosis University. For me, the best part in this industry is every day you get opportunity to learn new technologies. And for me, best part of this industry is we get opportunity to prepare our new generation for future needs of our country and being in touch with the young people always.
Okay, that's great, sir. So being the principal of Indore Institute of Science and Technology, what is your philosophy of leadership and how do you tend to describe your leadership style?
Uh, I follows democratic leadership philosophy. I believe every stakeholder should participate and having feeling of ownership in the process. I intend to share responsibility with my team members. I respect my team, listen to their ideas, inspire them when needed. I behave with kindness, empathy, and thoughtfulness with my team.
Okay, that's a very great approach, sir.
Thank you.
So, any significant challenges which you have faced being the principal of Indore Institute of Science and Technology?
Yes, recently teaching in this COVID time was major challenge I have faced, especially examination and evaluation process was the major challenge. During this time, we have learned many new methodology for teaching and evaluation to evaluate our students.
Okay. So how does the curriculum of IIST ensures that the best practice of the industry is being followed?
We are affiliated to RGPV University, that is MP Technical University. So apart from university curriculum, we teach new technologies to our students. Based on industry feedback, we are running 32 special groups like Internet of Things, robotics, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and machine learning in each branch of engineering to train our students in latest technologies.
Okay, so this is the era, right? Because everyone in future, we also know that this will be in huge demand. So
Yeah.
that's that you are, fulfilling the demand from now onwards. Yeah. So how do you tend to establish a relation with the students being the principal of IIST? How do you make yourself available to them?
Uh, I am a facilitator for my students. I'm mentor. I'm parents for them. I'm available 24/7 for my students. Any student can call me anytime for guidance or for any other type of help.
Okay. So any goals do you have in your mind for your institute over the next few years?
Yes, my goals for my institute are we will make one of the best educational institute in engineering education in Central India in the next few years. And our institute will be known for quality placements. These are
That's
my
good.
goals.
And College Dunia is always with you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
So any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students out there?
I want to suggest current youth that hard work and dedication is the only key of success in everyone's life.
That's very true, sir. Thank you so much for giving us your valuable time.
Thank you very much, ma'am.